Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing well and is safe. The storm is heading our way today. We have no in-person learning at school. There's flood warnings and there's just going to be lots of rain today, but I did want to share this Burlington shop with me from the other day. I found lots of great items. I was not disappointed. So I wanted to show you these pumpkins that they have here. These are priced $4.99. They come in two sizes, or two different shapes, I should say. It has the galvanized leaf. This sign here, thanks and giving. It was a nice size, just for $4.99. Burlington always has, very nice prices. These signs here are also priced $4.99 each. And then I found some candles, old-fashioned pumpkin roll. This one is $12.99. I love the look of the recipe on the top. I found these books, Always Give Thanks. These are $4.99 as well. Lots of more candles down here. Hey There Pumpkin, the gnomes, pumpkin patch, same price. Now let's look at some signs. A witch and a handsome devil live here with the little monsters. This one here is priced $5.99. Boo, Trick or Treat. This one is priced $6.99. It looks like bones. Happy Halloween. This one didn't have a price. Happy Fall. This one is priced $5.99 with the galvanized stem and leaf, the faux wood. It also comes in Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, as you can see over there on the corner. They do have these pumpkins. This one says Grateful. This one is $7.99. It is ceramic. And it's starting to pour, so sorry if you hear the rain, guys. That gnome was priced $9.99. Boo, it's small. This one is $3.99. Welcome is priced $4.99. Look at the eye and the teeth. This arrangement here was the most expensive, I think. It was $16.99. And they have these signs. They have the scarecrow there. These are priced $10.99. They are wood. I liked these here. Dead end, I'd turn back if I were you. $7.99, and it does come in this version, which I really liked. Home Sweet Haunted Home. The spider thing back there was pretty heavy. That one was $12.99. Welcome Back is priced $7.99. And then these candle arrangements here are priced $9.99. Very pretty. $4.99 for these beaded signs. I'm going to try to speak louder, guys. I think the rain is louder than my voice, but I wanted to put this clip here. It is towards the end of my shop with me. As you can see, it's the checkout. I had lots of things on my hands, but I decided to move it closer to keep the decor together. Look at that Hocus Pocus towel. $5.99. Super nice. $12.99 for the pumpkin arrangement. They have some wreaths. This one here is $16.99. And the signs that we just saw. $4.99 for the picture frames. Okay, here they have lots of floral arrangements with the sunflowers. Those are $14.99. Look at these white sunflowers here. I thought the greenery was very pretty. This one was pretty heavy. This one was $12.99, and I like the pot because it looked so realistic. Here I'm still trying to find the price. But yes, this one was pretty heavy. And then up here, I found this for $16.99. This one here is priced $6.99. It's full of pine cones. And the milk jug with the sunflower is priced $12.99. I found this huge pumpkin sign that was under those stems. I don't know if somebody was trying to hide it. So big and heavy for $14.99. You guys already know that I love Burlington doormats. These are only $6.99. Look at this one, Gather. Very nice. If you have a Burlington, go there for doormats because they have a very nice selection for a wonderful price. And yes, they did have some Halloween themed Hocus Pocus. These are the cushion type, so they are, a little more expensive, but only $9.99, which is usually the price of the other ones. I really loved this one. Hello Pumpkin. This one here, Peanuts, that's Snoopy. Good to be Gnome. They have so many pretty images. Thankful, Grateful, Blessed, the Faux Wood, and there's more for Halloween. They have Snoopy coming out of that jack-o'-lantern and a very cute Mickey Mouse, which I thought was so nice. Oh my goodness, so cute. I think Halloween is my favorite time to use Mickey and like cartoons like Jack Skellington. I don't know, it's just very fun for the kids. And speaking of which, they have a Nightmare Before Christmas version. The rest are just, everyday sayings. Look at this pillow with the truck. This one is $12.99. And I found a great selection of blankets for only $9.99, which is an amazing price because if you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, they're priced $12.99 or $16.99. I really liked this one, but it's white, so I was thinking it would probably get dirty, with the kids, and sometimes my sister's dog, he comes over, so I was thinking of this one here. I did like the pattern in the background. It makes it look a little bit more, sophisticated, I would say. But these are just so great and they were so soft. So I do recommend coming to Burlington if you have one for blankets. Very good. Look at the gnomes. Happy Halloween. Here's another one of the one I liked. This one has the witches on the Tootsie Rolls. Lots of nice choices, guys. This end cap was full of kitchen towels. These right here are priced $4.99 for a set of 2. They have lots of cute designs. If they have 3 towels or 3 count, like this set right here, it's priced $9.99. Here in the back, they have a fall themed gnome towel. There's Jack Skellington. This one is $5.99. You get 2 towels. And then here's Mickey, which I really loved. It also comes with 2 for $5.99. Blessed. The Sugar Skulls. This one was microfiber. Look at Snoopy. So cute. Okay, let's move on down. They have these mugs. This one was a nice size. Happy Halloween. This one is $4.99. Start each day with a thankful heart is priced $3.99. They do have these made out of melamine. $2.99 for the small one, $4.99 for the big one, which is a great price. This mug here says Boo, $3.99. Love the color. Let's Party with the candy. That one's $3.99. Cheers Witches, $3.99 as well. This one's $2.99. Hocus Pocus, I Need Coffee to Focus. I was tempted to take this one, but I thought it was a little small. $3.99 as well. The Jack Skellington mug is $4.99. Very cute. Had a Witch in Charge, $3.99. Look at this adorable pillow. The 3 gnomes, $12.99. That one is so adorable. The truck one is $14.99. Happy Hauntin' is also $12.99. And some Halloween doormats. These are, for outdoors, $6.99. They have these fall versions. Great prices. And for some decor, welcome to our home, $7.99. This tree is $9.99, which I thought was so pretty. You can definitely see and feel the paint. They also have these for $9.99. I also found this sign right here. It says Autumn Leaves and Pumpkins Please. This is a canvas sign. Love the font, nice and simple. This one is $5.99. This next one is a really big piece, $24.99. As well as this 3-piece set for the same price, $24.99. I thought these were so nice, and these sold fast. This one is $9.99. It does come in various versions, and these here are $14.99. I wanted to show you guys these. I thought they were very nice. The font, the arc windows, the greenery. It also comes in Be Our Guest. These are $16.99, family first. Very nice. But I was thinking of getting one. And here's just an overview of these images right here. $12.99 for that girl. Burlington is a good place for decor pieces for an office or a makeup room, a kids room, a nursery. For instance, this one, $17.99. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Look at these trays. They have faux fur lining, which I thought was odd. These are $9.99. They come in a bunch of colors. There's silver down there. I thought the color of this was nice and mute. $6.99. Feeling super, all mine. I thought the stains on these were super cute. $3.99. They have the Raid Done vibe. And then they have this Lazy Susan, which I thought the design was very nice and neutral. These were $16.99, and we have arrived to the end of the shop with me. Those are the new finds. Thank you guys so much for clicking on my video. Please stay safe. I'll see you guys in another shop with me. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, guys.